Friday evening on the 10th that Metastock put on. It was terrific to listen to all the speakers. And what I wanted to just give you back as a thank you was a scan of Metastock and my add-on, just to show you what is happening. I know we went over examples, a couple examples in charts, static charts, but I'd like to go over and give you a couple trades for Monday morning. But the first thing I did is I did a new scan in Metastock, and I looked for the best between the SEO, the CMO3, and the stochastic RSI. And in doing that, again, it kind of defaulted back to the stochastic RSI, the momentum indicator that I like to trade, what has been one of my favorites for years. And what I did is a little scan here, just kind of show you and bring up the scan to pick the issues that we're going to look at to trade. Now, what I did is in here, I took a look, and you can see Priceline, kind of a outlier, and so I did not use that. I'm not going to be trading Priceline. Again, very expensive stock, but some of you will be able to trade that. If you like to trade it, by all means, put it in your portfolio. If you have a smaller account, then Priceline may not be an issue that you'd like to trade. Barring that, what I did is I just went through and took the top 20 that came out and took a look at those, ran them through, and they look like a decent group of stocks. I usually do it on the first of the month, but I thought I'd, again, just give you a little preview of what I do. You had the little set that I use on a daily basis, monthly basis. I went over that briefly. So again, let's take a look. We're going to go through, and I did the NASDAQ 100, and this is how it came out. Second of all, after I had done that, what I did is I made up a list that I'm going to be testing every evening, and I do it after the market closes. And when I do test that, I'm going to bring in here the report that I just generated. So the report comes out, and you can see that it has a buy, sell, and again gives you the ticker symbols and the names. The zeros denote no trade. The ones are denoting, you can see in this column, there's a buy on SBA-C, and we have a sell that just triggered on Costco. So those are what we're going to be looking at. So let me bring those into view, and here it is. Here's Costco. So I brought up Costco. You can see that it did just trigger. It's triggering a sell. Let me bring this over here. And as you can see, the TTT toolkit for you will bring up exactly what you need to do. It shows you that the current value is 90.79, so it did trigger this evening. And you can see the entry details. It's telling you to go short. I just did this based on an account of 25,000. We're going to be risking just 1% on any trade. So you're going to risk 250 on this trade. The entry is at market, at the open on Monday morning. Based upon your size of your account, you're going to be trading 15 shares, and your stop is 184.59. So the commentary will tell you exactly what to do and put your orders in accordingly. And again, you can go in and adjust this account setting. Let me just bring it up again for you. Here's the account setting. You go in, edit it, and by all means, put in your own portfolio amount, your account size, the risk. If you want to risk 2%, put in 2%. You'd be risking $500. You'd be buying, of course, 30 shares, and then put in your stop amount that you would like. I use between 8 and 10%. In this case, I've left it at my default 10%, risking 1 and an account size of 25,000. So that's what I'm going to be buying, and this is a trade that I'll be looking at on Monday morning. So that's one. That's Costco. The second one, again, was, if you recall, was a buy. It was SBAC, and let me bring up that chart. Again, you can see we got a buy signal today. Come right over here. It did trigger at 7.01. It's giving us our entry details. Again, Same thing, we're risking 250. We're going to put a order in for 22 shares, and we're going to put our stop in immediately at 104.08. And then what you're going to do is just leave it in, and we're going to run that report each night. So what you're going to do is, for some of you that if you don't have Metastock yet and we're on the webinar, we're going to go into the Explorer. You go down to my explorations that you get with the toolkit and check it. So you get the Stochastic RSI, Mechanical Monkey. Those are my 20 issues, and you can see here they are. I put them in. So what you want to do is check off your 20 issues. You start your exploration. It goes very quickly. There's the reports, and there's the report. Now you can scan through here. You can see Costco. You can see SBAC. What I do is I double click on the buy, double click on the sell, and those will make their way to the top, and then you can see the issues that you'll need to put the orders in and use it. And it works the same for if you like the CMO3, if it tests out better, the oscillator. You can do it with the Bollinger Band oscillator that comes free with Metastock. But again, you can see that they're all in here for you, and the templates are there for you as well. You don't have to bother to go through with the templates. If you have the stochastic, you get the stochastic up here. If it's CMO, the CMO will appear, and so forth and so on. So those are the two trades. I just want to do a short little video with it. What I am going to do along with this link, you'll see in the little email that I sent above, I'm going to offer a special to anyone. I usually keep it for those Metastock subscribers. It is for the Inner Circle, and that's the group or club, whatever you want to call it, that I have. And what we do is on a, let me just bring it up here for you. Here it is. What you can do is just go right in the Inner Circle. It's $59 a month, a reoccurring monthly, and you cancel anytime at the end of the month. So there's no long-term commitments. And what you're going to get from me each day is you're going to get an email and or a short video. And in that will be these issues that I'm looking at. Now, you can certainly look for other issues, but what I'm looking at, what is triggering, what is a long or a short for the following day, and included with that, what you'll get is some extra research and others. There's breakout issues that I look at from now and then, and I pop them in there for you. You certainly can take a look at them on your own, run the breakout, but I will go over those. And then what I do run is workshops to go over the issues that, number one, that I'm looking at, but number two, you may have issues. And in the workshops that I put on for the members, I let you come on in, bring the issues with you, and we'll take a look at those issues and answer any questions that you have concerning those issues based upon the trading systems that I have. You'll also get any new information, new little systems that I come up with. I've got a couple scans that I give out for those who attend the workshops as well. I don't put them in the toolkit. I just give them as a little thank you for those attending. So that's it. And again, I would like to thank you for visiting with me and or looking at the video replay of the webinar with Metastock last Friday evening. Best in Trading. I hope you join me in my Inner Circle and get the toolkit. Just go on the website. You can click on and order it right from my website, and or call the sales office at Metastock, and they're more than happy to help you out. And you will get a couple other bonus systems if you call into Metastock and ask for the bonus system. Tell them Uncle Mike sent you over and told you to ask for the bonus. Again, thanks for joining me. Best in Trading, and hope you have a wonderful day.